Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to unbox this new tripod from Kodak T210. Let's get into the video and unbox this. This is the package, how it looks, and let's open the package. Let me take it. This costed me around 1,200. I got this product for the cheaper rate at 1,200 rupees. And here's the This is the phone mount, mobile phone mount, which is been given by the Kodak company itself. And this is how it looks. Hey, get me focus. And this is the mount given to mount for the tripod. We can use this to mount your mobile phone to tripod. Let's move to the main package. This is the Kodak tripod, and let me open the zip. You put right over here, and just open right from here, and here you go. There's nothing in the package, and this is the tripod. Let me open the cover. I think it is open. Yeah. Here is some tag that you can read it right, pausing the video, and this is how it is. This is the tripod, and this is the mounting for it. And here, okay, let me take it so you can see everything. This is the mount where you mount your camera and your mobile, and this is for the height adjustment, and this is for the movement of the camera. First impression on this tripod is it is a very light tripod, and it has 3 extensions right over here. You can just remove it, pull it, and lock it on both sides. This is made up of aluminum and plastic, and here we got a hook to hang the weight so that we get extra weightage for our tripod. And here it is locked. And this is the first height. Okay, let me show you from here. And okay. This is the height of the tripod, first height, and I will show you the height totally of the tripod. I will show you the height right now, just in few seconds. Let's move outdoor. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. We are outside the building, and this is the release clamp right over here. I can show you from here. This is the release clamp so that you can remove the camera or the mobile phone easy mount. Okay, here you get a bubble indicator, so the level is indicated by it, and this is the moving part or the rotator of the head, and this is locked because I have locked it. Let me remove it, and it is movable up and down. If you lock it, it is locked. And seeing the bubble indicator, I will lock it. In landscape or the portrait mode, and you can lock it. Let's see the another bubble indicator right over here down, the green one, so that we can get the level indicator right from the outside of the stand leg. And let me increase the height of the leg at the first step. This is how the clip is removed, and I think you have liked this video. If you like this video and you want this tripod, I will give the link in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.